Hello, my creatively intelligent and amazing artists. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Yeah! So, in this week's art class, we are going to be creating a folding surprise. So, it's going to be a Christmas gift, and when you open it, you get a happy snowman. Are you guys excited? I know that I am. So let's do it. Yay! So my amazing artists, you will be needing your paper, pencils, markers, and something to color with. And let's go. First, we're going to start by folding our paper. So we're going to bring the left side of the paper to meet the right side of the paper. Remember to try to get it as even as possible. Now we are going to take the left side of the paper and fold it to meet the middle line of the paper. Now let's take the right side of the paper and fold it to meet the middle of the paper. Alright guys, let's start with a horizontal line for the top of your box. Make sure you leave enough space so that on the top of your box you can fit a bow. Then we're going to bring two vertical lines down. You can bring yours all the way down to the bottom of the paper if you like. If not, you can create another horizontal line to join both lines. Now at the top of our box, we're going to create our bow. So we're starting with the center piece and we're using our curve lines. For the side of the bow, you decide how big you want it to be. It's like writing the number 7, but a long number 7. Don't forget your two little horizontal lines to make it seem as if your bow has dimensions. Now we're going to bring two vertical lines all the way down to the bottom of the paper to represent the center ribbon. Let's add two little ribbons at the top, and we're using our curved lines to create those ribbons. And for the bottom, we are going to be doing an upside down V shape. Let's add a horizontal line going across so that it shows where we will open the gift. And we're going to add two ribbons to the side to represent the gift's arms. Don't forget to add two nice eyes to your gift, a cute little mouth, and of course, eyelashes and eyebrows. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun. And if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button. Now it is time for us to add our snowman in an ugly sweater. Guys, your artwork is looking amazing so far. I am so proud of you. So go ahead, draw your snowman in the ugly sweater. Remember, you can add any design of your choice. Just remember to have fun. Looking amazing thus far. Remember, you can add any design that you want to your ugly sweater. It is up to you. Just be very creative, guys. And I know that you are all rocking it because you are such awesome students. Now I'm going to write Happy Holidays, Mom. You can address your card to anyone of your choice. Just remember to have fun. All right, guys? And you are doing an awesome job so far. I'm going to use a marker to highlight my card. You do not have to use a marker. It is up to you. Now it's time for us to color our artwork. You can use any colors of your choice. Just remember to have fun, and you can always pause the video at the end to match your colors with mine. Guess what, guys? Your artwork looks amazing. I had fun with you in art class today. Have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.